Hey, how's it going, Jennifer? I just got off the phone with Jessica. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm just going to really briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix so you can start beating Air Rescue Florida, because these guys come up on the first page when somebody types in Tampa Air Conditioner Repair, and you can be there really easily. I know you're probably wondering why I'm even making this video for you. It's super simple. There's a lot of small business owners out there so busy taking care of their customers, they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I give away these free attack plans. Some people end up doing this stuff themselves. Some people call me back. Whatever you want to do with it is okay with me. I'm only trying to help as many business owners as I can. I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. And I was looking through your website, and I really like the look that you have here. It's a very simple view, but it also, for anyone who's in the area, it gives that home feel, you know, because it's got the beach right here. So you've got a really nice looking design, really nice logo. What Google cares mostly about is this stuff right here, all this content that you can read. They want to see a lot of it. So the average website on the front page of Google right now has about 2,000 words. And if I copy all yours and paste in a word counter, you're sitting at 306 words. So you're going to want to make sure you get that up to the 2,000 word mark. One quick tip on that, and I'll show you how you compare to Air Rescue. If you put theirs in, these guys have 525. So it's really not that much more than yours, but by getting yourself 2,000 words, you're going to blow them out of the water. Now you also want keywords inside of your content. A keyword is just a phrase somebody searches into Google to find your business. This is searched 200 times a month, just as one phrase. So if I go and I put it here, whoops, and I go and search, you don't have it anywhere in your content. So when you're writing those extra words, put that in there a couple times. So that's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is another website on the internet is linking to you. And this is important because Google's like a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of other trustworthy companies vouching for you. But they want to see relevant links. So you're going to get a lot more power if another HVAC website links to you instead of having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. The tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. If you just Google backlink checker, there's tons of free tools out there. But it says you have 36 websites linking to you. If you go to Air Rescue Florida, these guys have 177 websites linking to them. So what I'd recommend doing is just copying them, because if the links are good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you too. Just go visit the list and see all the websites that are linking to them, and then you visit these websites and put a link on that website back to your homepage. It's the same way they did. Most of the time, you just got to create a profile and either put the link in a profile, like in your profile, or put a link in a comment somewhere, and that'll be good enough. But sometimes you may have to like type or click the contact us button and email the owner. But if you just copy them with the backlinks and you beat them with their content, that's how you end up beating them organically. If you want to be number 1 in the ads, you just need to bid higher than your competitors. But if you want to be number 1 in the map, this is the best place to be. This is where the most traffic goes. Getting here requires having more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where you put your name, address, and phone number into a directory. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, like, you know, Yelp and Craigslist and Yellow Pages and White Pages, City Star, stuff like that. So I'd figure out what directories Superheat and Air was in. I'd put myself in those same ones and add a bunch more on top. If they were in 150 directories, I'd be in like 300 directories. And that's all I've got for you, Jennifer. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 2,000 words on this homepage with keywords like Tampa Air Conditioner Repair inside of that content. I would copy the backlink profile of Air Rescue Florida. Just go all the websites that are linking to them, visit them, and get those links pointing back to you as well. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Superheat. If you follow those 3 tips, that's how you become number 1 across all of Google. So I recommend you get started on this as soon as possible, just because it does take time to implement all of it. And the sooner you get started, the sooner you start profiting off of your work. If you have any extra questions or you just want someone else to do it for you, you can always give me a call. My phone number is right down here at the bottom right. I'd be glad to answer any questions you may have. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.